Welcome back, y'all, to the Maiden repair flight. So, as you can see, I finished repairing the helicopter. She's looking good. The statics. Look at her. There's a couple little scuff marks and stuff, but so far she's looking good. That's how I attached my GoPro Session 4, or actually 5, correction, on the back of the tail with Velcro and some electrical tape. But yeah, here we go. The Maiden repair flight. So let's get this bad puppy in the air and let's go. Have it, guys. It flies. As of right now, I haven't tested inverted flight just yet due to the wind being a little high, and the helicopter's a little janky, and I'm a little rusty. I haven't flown a helicopter maybe for like almost a month or two. So yeah, so I'm super stoked. My Squirrel's officially fixed. She's officially returned to service after the inverted flight, but there you go. Well, thank you for watching. Have a great one, guys.